In problem 5, we're asked to graph these three functions. Now, part A is 2x, part B is going to be a version of 2x, I'll add that on in a minute, and part C is a different version of 2x, I'll add that on in a minute. So first thing, let's graph this y equals 2x. We'll build a table, pick a few points. When x is 0, put 0 in for x, we'll get 2 times 0 or 0. Right, so there's a point there where it's 0, 0, right at the origin. So I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to put a point right there at the origin. All right, now let's pick another point. I'll go a little bit of distance away. How about if we go 3? So at 3, I'll have 2 times 3, which is 6. Now I just picked 3. You could have picked 2, 3, 4, anything. So where are we here? We're at, to the right 3, up 6. So over here, start at the origin, go to the right 3, up 6. Looks like I've got that point here. To the right 3, up 6. Now I'm going to go to the left. So I'm going to pick a point here, negative 3. 3 to the left. Put that negative 3 in, I get negative 6 back. So what are we going to do? We're going to plot a point that is located 3 left, 6 down. So over here, I'll start at the origin, go 3 left, 6 down. So let's put a point right here, 3 left, 6 down. Those look like they lie on a straight line. Now, as best we can, we'll pass a straight line through those 3 points. Put arrows on the ends. So there's our graph of y equals 2x. Now, part B asks us for the graph of y equals not just 2x, but rather y equals 2x plus 3. So you can see here, you've got the y equals 2x, which is this graph right here. But then what you're going to do is make a vertical change up 3 units. So I'm going to just take this line back over here, move it up 3 units. Now I can do that like this. I've got 3 points here. Why don't I move all of them up 3 units? So I'll start at the origin. I'll go up 3, right? 1, 2, 3. I'll put a point here. And then over here, out at this one, I'm at 6. I'll go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'll put a point there. And then down here at the left, I've got a point here. Let's go up 3. So I'll go from negative 6 up to negative 3. And now let's draw a line through those 3 points. I can do this. Well, pretty close. Okay, and there's our graph of y equals 2x plus 3. Now in part C, we want to graph y equals 2x, but not just 2x, we want a different version. What we want here is 2x, but then we want minus 5. So here's our graph of y equals 2x, right? That's the red line. But what we're going to do is make a vertical shift downward because of the minus 5 units. So we're going to take this red line and just shift it down 5 units. And I'm going to do that by just shifting these 3 points down 5, down 5, down 5. I'll start at the top one here, the top right. So if I start here, I'm at 6. I'm going to go down 5. That'll put me at a 1. How about, get the right place, that one. Then take the origin, go down 5. That'll put us here. And for our leftmost point, right here, we'll go down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to have to kind of guess at that one. That looks like it's going to be down here. So I will draw a line through those 3 points as best I can. How about like that? My arrows. And this is the graph of y equals, there's our 2x, but down 5.